If you want to know how to fix a TikTok camera not working, you've come to the right place. So if I'll open my TikTok and I'm going to create something, as you can see, everything is working as for me. So I can easily use camera on TikTok, and you can do the same. Basically, all we need to do is that we need to open our settings, then scroll down to find all the apps, and we need to find TikTok right up here. So click on it and then disable or turn on basically camera option. As you can see, I successfully disabled it. So now I won't be able to use it on TikTok. So I'm going to click on plus. As you can see, we need to give the access. So we need to give TikTok full access to our camera, and after that we'll be able to use our TikTok camera feature. And basically, if you still don't have this option, you need to go to App Store and here search for TikTok. So you need to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. Only after that you'll be able to use all the features on TikTok, even like camera option. So it's like the basic stuff, but you need to get the latest version because sometimes old versions are not supported by TikTok. And it's definitely the best way of how to fix TikTok camera not working. You've come to the right place. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.